Hey, what's up everybody? It's the People's Crypto. I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about the dip that just happened in BTC and also the stock market dip. And we're going to also talk about the Greed and Fear Index. So before we jump right into it, please keep in mind that this video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research before making any of these investments in these particular assets. And also, if you're not sure of what you're doing, I would highly suggest you reach out to a financial advisor, one that is well versed in cryptocurrencies. That might be a little difficult, but if you do enough digging, I'm pretty confident you'll be able to find at least one person that is expert in this space. All right, so let's jump right into it. The first story says data shows smart money is looking to buy Bitcoin at $8,800. I personally don't believe it's going to go that low, but you never know in the cryptocurrency space. All right, so it says it has been a rough past couple of days for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, with bears forcing BTC to dive as low as $10,000. The support found just below this price region was significant as BTC quickly bounced and ran back towards the upper $10,000 region. Bulls and bears have since reached an impasse, with the cryptocurrency consolidating as it attempts to garner some clearer directionality in the near term. One analyst is pointing to data that shows whales are looking to add to their BTC positions within the $8,000 region. This means that a dip to here may be imminent in the coming weeks and months. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But if it does, it creates another buying opportunity. It's just a little mind-boggling to me that there's only 21 million coins. We still have to mine for the other coins, and we're like bouncing back now between $10,000 and $12,000. It is a little frustrating, but you have to be patient in this space. So I'm pretty confident we'll probably stay in the $10,000 to $12,000 range. If we do dip below that, it's unfortunate, it sucks, but it just creates a new buying opportunity. So be patient with this space. If you're looking to make more money in this space, you do have the option of getting into something like Celsius, where you can deposit some of your BTC and you can earn some Satoshis in return. So that's one way to still, generate some sort of residual Bitcoin income, if you will, if you don't want to just leave all your Bitcoin on a wallet. So when these things happen, you're not really too affected because you're still going to be generating some sort of residual income. So there's that. You can keep that in mind if you don't want to sell at the top and buy when it dips. But me personally, I'm going to just buy these dips if they continue to happen. Yes, it sucks. Yes, we want the $100,000 Bitcoin, but this is just how the game is played. The smart money, as they say, are buying these dips. So you should probably do the same if your risk tolerance is quite the same as these Bitcoin whales. Just obviously do your own research. I'm going to be buying the dip. If it does go further down, then I'm buying it. It sucks, yes, because we want the price to go to the moon. But remember, these moments are excellent if you want to accumulate more BTC, if you still do not have at least one BTC. So keep that in mind. These opportunities may not present itself in the future. Just like when we went down to about, I think, 3,200. Yeah, Bitcoin will probably never, ever again reach that particular price. So if it does dip back down to 8,800, then you have another opportunity to accumulate more Satoshis to get you to that one Bitcoin. So there's that. Also, the stock and Bitcoin crash on escalating job fears, the weekly crypto market update. It says the events of the past 7 days took a turn for the worse throughout the entire cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin started the week trading at around 11,500 and managed to advance to a peak of around $12,050 a few days later. And that's when it went downhill. In less than 2 days, Bitcoin lost around $1,500 of its value, bringing the price down to its current level of $10,500. However, the primary cryptocurrency spiked to a low of $9,875 on Binance before recovering, taking all large cap altcoins with it, with an exception of Tron. It says DeFi coins, which received most of their attention, are also bleeding out. Their frontrunner, the governance token of Yearn Finance, or Wi-Fi, peaked at around $39,000, only to decrease to where it's currently trading at $26,000, $26,400. Anywho, that's where things are currently headed. Stock market and Bitcoin are currently doing not so well. The stock market, I would say, is probably doing far worse, because usually a 800-point dip on the Dow Jones Industrial Average is usually perceived as a very negative thing. But in crypto, we go down $1,000, $2,000, and then we somewhat recover in enough time. It's not really that bad. We do these things all the time, so it's not uncharacteristic for Bitcoin to dip to something ridiculous and then go up to something even more ridiculous. So it happens. It's a part of the space. You'll get over it over time. It's just when these opportunities present itself, you just have to keep in mind to buy the dip. If you're willing to do that. Me personally, that's what I'm doing. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin Greed and Fear Index. Right now it's at fear because things have dropped, but give it some time. Once we go back to 12,000 or 13,000, then it will probably be somewhere here in the greed area. Let's take a look at the current cryptocurrency prices. All right, so Bitcoin right now is $10,513.99. Ethereum is $386.34. Tether is $1. XRP is 25 cents. Polkadot is $5.19. Chainlink is $12.54. Bitcoin Cash is $230.96. Litecoin is $50.31. Binance Coin is $21.04. Why am I saying $21.04? Well, Binance is $21.04. Bitcoin SV is $159.81. EOS is $3.03. Cardano is 10 cents. Tron is 3 cents. Tezos is $2.69. Stellar is 8 cents. USDC coin is $1 as always. Monero is $82.48. Cosmos is $5.38. Neo is $18.83. And Leo is $1.23. That is actually going to wrap it up for the video. It's pretty quick. I just wanted to reassure everyone, don't be afraid if you're new to the space. If you're a veteran and you've been here for more than 12 months, then you know to buy the dip and accumulate more BTC and Ethereum or any coins that you're looking at potentially scooping up, because the prices are pretty favorable right now. So don't really be too discouraged. But yeah, just keep accumulating, buy the dip, and that will basically do it for this video. If you're listening to the video on YouTube, please hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You just so happen to bump into the channel if you're seeing this on the, I guess, suggestion page on YouTube. If you're listening to this on LBRY, you could leave me a tip. You could leave me a tip, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you feel like giving. It's perfectly fine. If you don't want to, it's a-okay. Just keep stacking those stats. That's going to do it for the video. You can also follow me on Twitter, and I will leave all of that information along with the links to all of the stories in the description below. And that's going to do it for the video. I hope everyone enjoys and have somewhat a fun holiday weekend. And that's going to do it for this video. I will see you guys later.